In our medical news this morning, young women who have anxiety or suffer from insomnia could also have a repressed immune response. That is according to a new study. Researchers looked at 60 female students between 17 and 23 and found those who reported sleep disturbances or anxiety had lower levels of natural killer cells, which are considered the bodyguards of the immune system. Being heart healthy is a year-round goal, but the American Heart Association says research shows more people die from heart attacks at the end of December than at any other time of the year. Experts say you don't have to have a heart problem to be at risk. Mandy Gaither explains why.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, but for your heart, it's also the most dangerous as the number of heart attacks spike during the holidays.
Most people don't think about the fact that during the holidays, you can get in trouble even if you don't have any history of heart problems or medical problems at all by doing some of the things that you normally do during holidays.
Cardiologist Dr. Taiwan Tillman with Orlando Health calls it holiday heart syndrome, where there's a sudden onset of stress on the heart or abnormal heart rhythms due to choices that are made during the holidays.
Lots of good food, sometimes a little bit more alcohol than you would normally drink. And those are all things that can place emotional stress and physical stress on your body and ultimately your heart.
To lower risk of holiday heart syndrome, Tillman says that if you plan to drink alcohol, be mindful of how much you're drinking and pace yourself.
You want to make sure that as you're drinking, try and drink a non-alcoholic drink or a glass of water in between alcoholic beverages.
And be aware of what you're eating. Tillman says salty and rich foods in particular can stress the heart, so he says to limit those things. Also, if you're hosting a party, he says offer healthy choices and non-alcoholic drinks.
It's important. You want to enjoy yourself, but you really want to celebrate smart and you want to be mindful that these things can occur and a little bit of prevention goes a long way.
The American Heart Association says knowing the warning signs, chest pain, lightheadedness, nausea, jaw or back pain, and shortness of breath, if you experience those, call 911.